Hello friends, we are at an interesting junction as far as Indian equity markets are concerned. There is buoyancy all around and investors are looking at opportunities to invest. First, let me look at what's happening in the economy itself. With so much money being pumped in by global central banks, there is liquidity which is leading to economic growth both globally and in India. And if we look at it in India itself, there are so many sectors which are benefiting out of it. The banking sector, the technology sector, the healthcare sector. And we at ICICI Prudential Exchange Traded Funds want to ensure that you are able to participate in these sectors. Hence, if we see from a banking, information technology as well as healthcare, there are already products on the exchange traded fund side which you can invest in. Along with that, of course, if we see the Indian consumer, that is the biggest story, right? We have more than 130 crore people. They are going to consume, they are consuming. And this sector has seen growth for the last many years in terms of demand. And if the Indian middle class grows the way it is growing with the growing economy, the requirement for fast moving consumer goods, that is FMCG goods, is only going to increase. So we thought that we should bring a product which will help you participate in this day-to-day requirement or daily needs product, which is the ICICI Prudential FMCG ETF. If you look at from a daily shores perspective, right from when we begin, the day, and across the board, be it toothpaste, be it soaps, be it detergents, be it the cereals which we have breakfast, everything, if we look at it, is part of the bucket of FMCG. And as India grows, the demand for these products would also grow. So if you are looking at an equity allocation right now within this space for the long term, you can have a look at the NFO of the ICICI Prudential FMCG ETF. We believe that as Indian consumers' expenditure or as Indian consumers' savings increase, their ability to demand for these goods and services will also increase. And the FMCG sector companies, if we look at it in general, they are well-entrenched companies, well-managed companies, and from a size and scale perspective also they are large. And through the ICICI Prudential FMCG ETF, you will get exposure to these companies which are part of your day-to-day life, and it would also make it probably a good fit to your overall equity allocation for the long term. Thank you. And the NFO, if we see, is open from 20th of July 2021 to 2nd of August 2021. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.